This is my Emma, which promotes regularity, bloating and gas relief, and supports flatter tummy. I've been taking it for about a month now. So you take 2 of these capsules every time you take them, and there's about a month's worth of servings in here. This is my second bottle. Here is what this supplement looks like. It's kind of like a yellowish tint. If you've ever taken magnesium, it's kind of about that size. It's about the size of the tip of my finger. I've been really impressed with this supplement and the quality that it is. I like that you can purchase in like 1 bottle, 2, 3, 4 bottles, so that definitely helps. It says give your gut a vacation right on there. Here is the back and all of the other different things you got in there: some vitamin D, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and B6, folate, B2, B12, not B2. So we got a whole bunch of other things in these. Yeah, definitely a high quality supplement. The lid is really easy to get on and off, and I have been impressed with this brand so far.